Scoring in this one. We got 1 in part A, you got 2 in part B, and then a 3 and a 3 for C and D. Anytime you got a 1, it's just, did you get the answer right? So when I go over here, they're looking for average acceleration. Did you get that negative 110 thirds meters per minute squared? But they didn't ask for units, so they're only looking for this number, which this number would be fine. So there's 1 point for that part. All right, part B. In part B, we got, let's see. Okay. You established the fact that negative 100 is in between 40 and negative 120. And then the second point is for using IVT with conclusion. But please see it. They say over here, differentiable implies continuous. In order for you able to get that IVT point, you need to be mentioning the fact that it is a continuous function. And then you also, and the other point, like they say, is you have to point out that, oh, it's going, yeah, continuous is fine, but if I don't go by it, it doesn't help. If this was 20 and 40 and I had negative 100, that doesn't help me out. I have to go by that thing that I'm looking for. So the negative 100 is in between negative 120 and 40. So there's my second point. All right, that's part B. Part C. Here comes the trapezoidal stuff. Okay, so the position. If you have this part, which I have down here, your initial condition plus the displacement, if you have something that represents that, that's going to get you the first point. They said S of A, I did P of A. Whatevs. Okay, trapezoidal sum. Do you have your trapezoidal sum? So this will get it for you. They simplified it up here, whatever. Yeah, if that you have that on your paper, that's going to get your second point. And then if you can do the math, even if you can't do the math, if you can do 300 minus 450 or 300 plus that, that's going to get you that last point. So there's the 3 points in there. Again, they did not ask for any units, so we don't have to worry about unit points in here. All right, and the last one. Hold on, let me find my mouse. Come back, mouse. There you are. And the last one is another 3-pointer. All right, I don't like this. When they say 2 points for a problem, it's like, what are the 2 points? The 2 points are, did you get this? So do I give you 1 point if you just did 2x plus 2y equals 2z and forgot the tag-alongs? I don't know. I'm not a reader. Not yet. Someday when I can trust my kids out of my house. Oh, that's no time soon. Okay. And then plugging it in and getting your final answer of 160. I did get 160. Yes, I did get 160 meters per minute. That's your second point. All right. Those are all the points in there.